Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. And today, if you've seen the description, I bet you're thinking, what on earth's that? This is an American Rice Krispie chew. I've not made this recipe at all. This recipe is going to be straight off the cuff, and we're just going to go and see if it works or not. This is what I do in the bakery all the time. Well, actually, I don't do it there anymore. I do it here. I'm doing test baking. So today we're going to try and see if this will work with Rice Krispies. I've not done it before. It's going to be an interesting thing to find out whether using Rice Krispies or flakes is best. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget to check out the description, because down there you'll find numbers of playlists and your recipe. Right, so let's get on with the recipe. And for your ingredients, 113 grams of granulated sugar, 13 grams of golden syrup, 13 grams of butter, 45 grams of oats, and now we're going to be using some Rice Krispies, and that is 90 grams of Rice Krispies, not forgetting 3 grams of baking powder. So very much like our previous video, you do need a small tray, and this is a 10 by 8 tray. Now for this recipe you do need a hob and a saucepan. These are special saucepans to work on the induction hob. So we'll get this straight on. Right, first we add in our golden syrup, add in our butter, and add in our sugar. So all we need to do is mix this round and round, and we're dissolving the sugar into the rest of the ingredients. But be careful not to burn the pan. Now when you're using golden syrup and butter, it's going to be really hot, and especially with sugar. So be very careful with it. The grittiness is almost going already. Right, that's ready. Now it's time to get your oven on. Your oven temperature wants to be 200 Celsius. That's a fan assisted, and this is going to be baking for 10 minutes only. Right, so let's get our mixer. Add in our Rice Krispies. Add in our oats. Make a well in the middle. Add it in your hot liquid. Start this mixing on first speed. Now add in our baking powder. Well, that's that. So we'll add all the contents of the bowl onto the tray. We'll just flatten it all out. Get yourself a rolling pin and just roll it out to the edges. Right, we'll just get that into the oven. Now we've got our Rice Krispie chew into the oven. It's going to be baking in there for 10 minutes, but 10 minutes is maximum. Our Rice Krispie chew is now ready, so we'll get it out of the oven. Well, there you go, folks. Doesn't that look nice? All we need to do now is let that cool down. With this particular one, I'm going to leave it until it's really gone stone cold first. Then I'm going to cut it up. So we'll pop back in about an hour when that's cooled down, and we'll see what it all looks like and do a taste test. The puff chew rice is now ready to cut up. It is actually cold enough, still warm, but it's okay. So we'll be cutting that up into around about 10 pieces. Take off this outside piece. Looks wicked. So we'll start from the middle. I'm expecting this just to break straight up. So far, so good. Oh yes, I'm liking that. So we'll take off this piece here. Then we know cutting that in the middle. And then do that again. And there it is. That just looks wicked. That does look the business. God, it smells lovely. Now, I've never had one of these before in my entire life, so this is new to me. I know the flavour is going to be the same as the other one basically, but it's puffed rice this time. Well, I'm going to tell you now, I think that's better than the American chew. Now, you know guys, you've all made those marshmallow ones. I haven't made one on the channel yet. This is very similar to that, but without the marshmallow. But that actually tastes, funny enough, it does taste a bit like it's got marshmallow in it, but it hasn't. There you go folks, if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget to check out the description down below the video, that is where you're going to find your recipe and lots of playlists of more video recipes. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking. Lifestyle. Recipes, reviews, I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!